In the last lecture, you have learned about the print statement in detail, and next you will be learning about strings and numbers. Now I am going to write a simple program where I am assigning a variable named a1 with a value which is a number, say 5, and next I am going to use another variable, say a2, and here instead of directly giving it as number 5, here I am going to write it as string 5. So I will be writing it like a2 is equal to, within a set of double quotes, I will be writing 5. In this lecture, you will be seeing what is the difference between these two. So obviously the first one is a number and the second one is a string. Now if you print both of them using a print statement, let's see whether there will be any difference at all. So I'm going to write like print value of a1 is, then give a1, and again copy and paste and make value of a2 is a2. So you can see that both of them are printing the same output. Value of a1 is 5 and value of a2 is also 5. But the question is whether this variable a1 and a2 are the same or not. The answer is no, they are not same, because a1 is holding a number 5 and a2 is holding a string 5. To show you the difference more clearly, let me use two more variables here and add them together. So I'm going to use another set of variables named b1 and b2 and assign with a different set of values. Say b1 is equal to number 6 and b2 is equal to string 6. And let me print the same again here. Value of b1 is b1 and value of b2 is b2, and therefore both of them will be printing 6. And finally I'm going to write two more print statements like this. The first one is printing like the value of a1 plus b1 is, and followed by the actual addition of a1 plus b1, and the next print statement will print the value of a2 plus b2 like this. Now imagine what would be the output of these two. First you will be seeing two 5s, next you will be seeing two 6, and think about the output that is displayed by line number 11 and line number 12. Because 5 plus 6 is 11, do you expect both of these print statements will print 11 in the output? Let's see that. Save this and execute it. Value of a1 is 5, value of a2 is 5, value of b1 is 6, value of b2 is 6. Now, when you added a1 and b1 together, the output is coming as 11, and when you added a2 and b2 together, the output is coming like 56. Now here comes the difference between a string and a number. a1 and a2 are numbers, therefore when they were added, the actual numbers 5 and 6 were added together and the output will be equal to 11, which is printed by this line and shown in the output by this line. And the last line in the output, which is value of a2 plus b2, is coming as 56. It is because both the variables a2 and b2 were strings, and when they were added together, those two strings were just added together, or those two strings were just put together or concatenated. And that's the reason why this output value of a2 plus b2 is printing at 56, which is nothing but the string 5 and the string 6 added together. So it's clear that when you add two numbers, the actual numbers will be added, and when you add two strings, the actual strings will be concatenated or they will be put together. But what happens if you add a string and a number? So let's try it out. Here I am going to add a1 and b2. Note that a1 is a number and b2 is a string. And next I am adding a1 and b2 together. And let's see what's output. Save this and execute it. You can see the same output as that of the previous case up to this point, but when the final print statement was executed, that is when you are adding a number and a string together, this was giving you an error. It's saying that unsupported operand type for plus, which is for int, and str. Str is nothing but a string. That means you cannot add a string and a number together. So you can add either two numbers or two integers together and two strings together, but you can't add a string and integer together. Obviously it makes sense as well, because what is there to give when you add a number to a string? When you add a string to a string, you can just put those strings together. When you add a number to a number, you can do the actual mathematical addition operation. But when you add a number and a string, there is no meaning in doing that. And in the same way, Python is also giving you an error when you add a number and string. Now before winding up, I wanted to show one more thing here in Python where you can convert a string to its corresponding number. So I'm going to clear the screen and go back to the program. So as you have seen here, you are getting an error when you had added a number and string together. Now let me use another variable, say C1. This time I'm going to convert the string B2 into a number. For that, you can just use an int keyword, int, within the bracket, give whatever string value you wanted to convert it to a number. So here I wanted to convert the value in the variable named B2. So I'm going to write like B2. When the int function is executed, it will be converting that string into the corresponding number and returning it. Therefore, the variable named C1 will be holding the actual number which is got converted by the string 6, which is nothing but the number 6. And instead of adding A1 and B2, let me just add A1 and C1. Don't forget to change in both places. Now save this and execute. So you can see that the value of A1 plus C1 is equal to 11 because C1 is holding a number which was assigned by converting the actual string in B2 by using the int function. Now to make this more clear for you, let me delete everything and show you one more set of example. Let me write A is equal to the string 5 and B is equal to the number 6. And if you write C is equal to A plus B, this will definitely give you an error because as we said earlier, you cannot add a number and string together. Now, if in some situation, if you really wanted to do this, you can convert the string in the variable A into a number by using the int function. I will write it like int, within the bracket, I'll give A. Now there shouldn't be an error, and if you really wanted to see the output, just print C. Save and execute. You can see that the value of C is 11. Now finally, this can be done in many different ways. It's possible to overwrite the value of the variable at any point in time in the program. Whatever is executed at the very last time, that will be the value of A. So here if I am writing like A is equal to int of A and I'm just adding A plus B and assigning it to C, this will also work and it shouldn't give you any error because you are overwriting the same variable A with the converted number value of its previous string 5. Now let me save this and execute and show you. You can see that there are no errors in the output. In this lecture, you have learned about the difference between a number and the string, and also you have learned that how to convert a string value to its number by using the int function. And this is quite useful when you accept some input from the user and you wanted to get it as a number, which you will learn in the coming session.